Faculty of Organization and Informatics is proud of its more than half a century history, as well as 345 years history of the University of Zagreb, to which we belong as a faculty. Last 40 years, we are focused on research and education in the field of information and organizational sciences and the application of information technology, especially in information systems, in various domains of industry, public sector, and education. In addition to that, if you are business-oriented, you can choose between our university study program, Economics of Entrepreneurship, and our professional studies. Upon finishing a 3-year undergraduate or a 2-year graduate study, our graduates acquire knowledge, competencies, and skills that enable them to gain employment quickly and develop professionally. We are also offering a doctoral study in information sciences and postgraduate professional studies. FOI is committed to providing state-of-the-art instruction, quality, and international knowledge studies, and enjoyable and friendly atmosphere to our students.
FOI has almost 30 bilateral agreements with partner universities across Europe and United States for students and staff exchange, research and project activities. Erasmus study mobility and internship is getting more and more popular among students across Europe, and this is an important part of our outgoing and incoming mobility. For this reason, we started to teach courses in English to attract foreign students, but also to give our students the chance to study in English.
Until now, the faculty has been involved in many EU-funded projects and projects funded by industry or public sector. Concerning the EU-funded projects, the faculty has experience in Tempus, FP6, FP7, Eureka and Lifelong Learning Program. Support to FOI project initiatives is given through the Center for International Projects, and besides being responsible for project operations, the center is also active in project management training. We have a good cooperation with many partners in our neighborhood, like our technology park in Varaždin, and we also have many partners worldwide. We have project partners in all continents except Antarctica, and we are very proud of that.
Hello, my name is Heather Baer and I'm currently a sophomore at the University of Cincinnati Claremont College in the United States, but I'm spending my semester here at FOI and I'm studying communications and accounting. Being here, I initially wanted just to travel abroad so I could see the world, but it's turned into much, much more than that. I'm getting the classes and the cultural experience and getting to see new places. But I've definitely learned much more here than I ever would have just being in a classroom. I can take the topics and skills that I learned and apply it to life. Talking to people from all around the world, from all different backgrounds, it's definitely improved a lot. I would like to be a journalist who travels around maybe for National Geographic or something, so this experience can only help, and I only want to grow from this experience and nothing but positive.